this picture that my daughter gave me. She wants me to cut it out, and she also gave me this bottle and told me to create something. So here we go. I'm gonna take this sticker, because it is a sticker, and I'm gonna stick it in front of this bottle. This bottle is absolutely gorgeous. I love the shape. And I will be painting it with this color. I'm gonna use this sponge brush, and I'm going to dab the entire bottle just the way you see right here. And this is the way it turned out. Now it is completely dry, so let's go ahead and take that sticker out. Look how pretty it looks. I have some baker's twine. I'll be folding this several times only because it's easier to wrap it around the bottle. I love this combination of colors, yellow and pink. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. I also have this ribbon, and I will be placing it in the lower part of the neck. Isn't this beautiful? I am loving the bottle. I will show you the final review in a second. Now, this trade I did back for Christmas. I'm gonna be repurposing it. I'm gonna take that "Let It Snow" sign out of there, and I'm gonna be replacing it with this wallpaper from Dollar Tree. Stay tuned for the final reveal. In the meantime, I have this bottle. It was a juice bottle that Miss Aurelia at work gave me. And now I'm going to be painting it with this beautiful pink color. While the bottle dries, I'm coming in with this bunny. I bought it at Dollar Tree. Now it has this little piece of metal right here that I will be removing. And I have some yellow acrylic paint. I will be giving it one coat. I took some baker's twine, made a little bowl, and now let's go ahead and hot glue it to the little bunny. Look at how gorgeous. You'll see the final review in a few. In the meantime, let's go ahead and come back to the bottle and start decorating it. I'm gonna use the same color ribbon, or I should say the same ribbon that I used in the first DIY. And I also have this little bunny. I'm also painting it in yellow, and this is the way it turned out. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I hope that you enjoy all of these DIYs, and if you did, don't forget, give me a big thumbs up. I love these plates from Dollar Tree because you can do so many beautiful things with it. I have this window cleans, and that's how I'm going to be decorating this plate. Very simple, just peel and stick. And this is how it's looking so far. I'm going to be painting it with two different acrylic paint in the back. First, I'm gonna give it one coat of this peach color. Once that is dry, I'm gonna come in then with the yellow. And this is the way it looks. When you look at this way, it's peach, and when you turn it around, it's yellow. And I want to invite you to subscribe if you have not done so. And if you like it, make sure that you give it a big thumbs up. I think that this is my favorite so far. I have this tumbling blocks. I have 2 of these glass. I think these are tea candle holders from Dollar Tree. And I have this little pillar as well. I'm going to start hot gluing all these tumbling blocks to the bottom of the glass. You'll see. And if this is your first time clicking into my channel, hi. This is DIY with Aurea. I hope you enjoy these simple DIYs. So I'm going to continue to glue these tumbling blocks to the bottom part of the glass. Look how gorgeous it turned out. I have this baker's twine. I'm gonna be folding it several times, and then with some hot glue, I'm going to glue it on the tumbling blocks. Look how beautiful it's starting to look. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to go ahead and show you the final review in a minute, but in the meantime, I want to show you this other one that I'm also going to decorate. And you are going to have to tell me which one is your favorite. I think I like the taller one. And if you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you as part of my channel. And don't forget to let me know from what part of the world you are watching me. This is the second candle holder. I also added the baker's twine, and this project is absolutely done. I hope you enjoy it. Guys, I am excited. Look at this picture frame, how beautiful. This was sitting around the house. And these window clings. Oh my Lord, look at how simple and easy. This took me not even 2 minutes. All you do is peel and stick, just like on the first DIY that I showed you. And look at how beautiful. I am loving it. For this project, I'm going to need a bunny and some gift tissue paper. I'm going to go ahead and decoupage. I'm going to put this all over the bunny. And then with my brush, I'm just going to go ahead and spread it out. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take the tissue paper and put it on top and try to smooth out all those bubbles. I'm gonna use this hot gun so it could dry faster. Once it dries, I'm just gonna go ahead and come back with my sandblock to remove the excess paper. And there it goes, the magic of editing. Look at how quick. Now I have this book. Oh my God, I bought this at Michael's and look at all the beautiful papers that it has. So I'm gonna be taking this blue one. So this is the one that I chose. I'm gonna go ahead and cut a piece and I'm gonna do a similar process to the one that I did on the bunny. With this paper, I cannot sand it out, so I'm gonna have to use my X-Acto knife. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and take the excess paper out. I'm also gonna use those tumbling blocks that I've been using, and I'm gonna go ahead and hot glue it to the carrot, and then the carrot to the bunny rabbit. That's gonna make it look sort of like 3D. I am loving this. I love this pattern. And you see that baker's twine right there? I'm gonna grab it and I am going to make a beautiful bow, and with some hot glue I'll put it on the bunny rabbit along with some yellow flowers. Thank you once again for clicking into my channel. I hope that you do consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that notification button, like that YouTube will notify you every time I upload a new video. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure that you give it a big thumbs up. That does help my channel. And as you see here, I went on and I took 2 tumbling blocks and I glued them in the back of this bunny rabbit just like this, so like that it can stand on its own. I hope you have enjoyed all these DIYs.